Hi, I'm James from Finding Country, and you've joined me here today in the heart of Whitnash, where we have this fantastic and generously proportioned 5-bedroom detached home. It really is stunning. Let's take a look inside. This really is a fabulous home. You're in the heart of Whitnash, which has excellent local amenities, shops, very sought after schools. You're very close to Leamington and Warwick. And out in this generous garden, we've got lovely views from this amazing master bedroom. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.